Welcome to more IFC. Just look how this beautiful pocket. I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks that you need in achieving this beautiful pocket. You can see how beautiful it has been done. All the tips and tricks that you need, I'm going to give it to you to achieve exactly beautiful as this one or more than this one. It's more IFC. So do well and check it out. Do well and click on notification. You can see when I press my hands on it like this, you are not going to see the below the under fabric. It lays down smart, flat, and smooth. You can see it's very, very beautiful and easy. It's more IFC. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Get your fusing. When you get your fusing, it's not necessary that you have to get the fusing, but the fusing give it a shape. The fusing give it a shape, so that it will be very nice. If you don't have fusing, you just can do it this way. You can still do it. My part is going to be almost quarter to five. Quarter to 5. As you can see, it's not exactly 5 inches. Quarter to 5 is more IFC. And the length of the pocket is going to be 5 inches or 5.5 inches. Now I'm going to fold into 2 to make a curve. This curve is option. You can decide to curve it. You can decide to make it square like that. So I'm curving it. You can use your free hand to curve it, or if you have a French curve, use the French curve to curve it. French curve rule. And if you don't have a French curve rule, just get something round like this one. Then you curve it. I'm trying to give you all the options that you need in achieving this curve. It's more IFC. Tell a friend about more IFC. So we're gonna put it on this one. Then we iron it. This is the flap. The flap gonna be 2.5. You fold that one as well. Use your French curve or use the round curve that you used previously. You made that curve. So this one, the right side have to face each other when you sew on top. So we're gonna trim this one to touch the fusing. You are not going to leave any half space. Otherwise, you're not going to give us the perfect curve that we want. So you measure. So whatever you get, just have to add 2 inches to it for extra precaution. Just look the way I'm going to fold it. You have to fold it this way, rectangular shape. Fold it this way like you want to pop an egg. Then you measure 1.5. This is 1.5. 1.5. Please do want to subscribe, like, and share and comment. If you have not subscribed yet, please do want to subscribe, like, and share and comment. Ask question, give me a thumbs up. If something is boring, you just give me a thumbs up and ask me a question. I'll respond to that. If you have a style, any tutorial, just send it to me on my Facebook or my Instagram and on my WhatsApp. We can talk about it, and I'll do it for you. It's Mora FC. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. You can see we have 3 inches. If we open it, we have 3 inches when you open it like this. By the length that it cuts, by the pocket length. So we're going to fold 1/2 inch over here. This fabric is too hard. He needs some water. You can see I'm just doing it. Still don't want to lay flat. It needs some water to sprinkle on it. So this is the pocket. You're gonna sketch the pocket. Get the center of it. You can see the center is important. Don't fold if your machine is not strong. Don't fold it this way. Just put it at the tip of it. Because you're going to have flap. The flap will cover that mouth. So when you fold it this way, it become like that part become heavy when you are top stitching it. So we're going to sew cut off 1 inch. Just look the way I'm folding. I'm stitching it. Just follow the same procedure. Make sure it matches. Take your time. Don't rush. Like I said, don't fold that part. If your machine is not strong, that part is going to be bulky for you, which you have to get some hammer and just hammer on that part to become soft. So you can see, just have to go to the iron. Make a notch on the wine color, not on the pocket itself. Don't cut on the pocket itself. I'm just making notches on the wine color on top, on the design color that I'm using. You can see if your scissors is not sharp, the tip is not sharp, you just have to find yourself in something trouble. So you iron it. Look at the way I'm ironing it. Let the pocket lay flat. Maintain the size of the pocket. Use your hand to be pushing the design under, getting your curve that you want. Take your time. You can see the curve. You can see how beautiful it is. Do unsubscribe, like and share, and comment. If you have not subscribed yet, please do unsubscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Ask a question, I'm going to give you a response to that. Give me a thumbs up. If you have a design that you want me to do a tutorial on it, send it to me on Facebook, Instagram, on my WhatsApp. When you get to my Facebook, it will lead you to my WhatsApp, my Facebook page. If you have a question, do well and ask. So I'm going to mark the middle line. You can see how it is. It's very, very simple. Mark a middle to serve you as a guide. It's Morai FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Morai FC. So we're going to fold into two. See the way that I folded it? You fold into two like that, so that become easy for you. Take your time, don't rush. There's no need of rushing. You can see this is how the power is going to be. So you're going to sew at the tip of it where the pin is on the line. Just at the tip in between the lines. That's where we're going to sew. Not on top of it. Don't sew on top of it. Just at the line, you can see in between. Please subscribe to Morai FC. Click on notification bell. You can see where I'm sewing. You take your time, don't rush. If you want it to be perfect like this, you just have to take your time. Different style. I'm going to give you different style every week, something new every week. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Morai FC. Do want to subscribe, like and share, and click on notification bell. So you're going to mark the center of here. It's important. And on your fabric too, you need to get, we sketch it. Don't put it exactly on the line that we sketch, the pocket that we sketch. Don't put it on top of it. You can see this is the line. Just come inward. Don't put it on this top like this. No, don't put it on the line. You can see come inside the line. Inside the line, that's what you're supposed to come. I say come inside the line. You have to come inside the line, inside the pocket. You drew the pocket there, so you have to come inside of it. Then you stitch. That will give you a perfect. You take your time. It's Morai FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I have different style of cargo pocket, so do well and check it out and learn how to do different style of it. You can see how beautiful it is. When I press my hand on it, you can see that it's not popping out. You don't see the inner one. You can see it hides inside. Very, very beautiful and easy. Do want to subscribe, like and share and comment. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays. So if you are new to the channel, do want to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up. Ask question, I'll give you a response. So this is the flap on it. The mouth of the pocket is cut to 5, so the flap I'm adding quarter to each so that it will be 5 inches. After sewing around, then you flip it over, then you iron it. When you're dealing with curves, circles, corners, take your time. Then you just have to trim it, then you turn it over, then you iron it, then you come and do top stitch it, just like this way. Please do and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Please do subscribe, like and share, and give me a thumbs up. If you have a style tutorial, send it to you on my Instagram, on my Facebook page. It will link you to my WhatsApp. Then you know, it is what it is. So we're gonna top stitch at that part to hold it down, like 1/2 inch. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Please do and tell a friend about more IFC. Comment, like, ask questions. You can see how perfect the pocket has been done. Look how beautiful it is. The place that we put fusing on it have to face the material, and the place that has no fusing have to face top. Then you stitch. You trim this part off, then you trim this part off. Like this, then you top stitch. See how beautiful the inside is. See how beautiful it is. It's more IFC. Thank you so much. God bless you, everybody. God bless you all.